Why should we care about the ocean and marine life? According to the Marine Conservation Institute organization, not only is the ocean the biggest ecosystem on Earth, but it produces over half of the oxygen that we breathe. Therefore, it is vital for us to take care of it and the life that it affects. On March 8, 2019, the National Park Service government website updated an article about Milo Crest, founder of the Be Straw Free campaign, and stated that Americans use over 500 million straws a day. To put that number in perspective, we can fill over 100 school buses with that amount. Plastic straws are often used whenever we go out. Think back of the last time you used a straw and for how long did you use it for? Often it is used for however long it takes us to finish our meal and then we're done. We must cut out our use of straws in order to reduce plastic pollution. Plastic straws are a problem because marine life ingest them, causing great harm to their health, and because they are unable to be recycled properly. You've probably seen the viral heartbreaking video of the turtle with a 4-inch straw stuck in his nostril, or have heard of the penguin in South America who was found dead with the straw perforating his body. The sad thing is that these are only 2 examples of how plastic pollution has affected the lives of innocent beings. According to scientists Denise Hardesty and Chris Wilcox, there are about 7.5 million straws laying on the U.S. coastline. A number that is staggering because plastic straws are just a commodity that we can simply stop using or switch to a more environmentally friendly option. This number contributes to marine litter. According to a 2019 article in the Journal of Coastal Research entitled Marine Litter, Solutions for a Major Environmental Problem, marine litter can be defined as all persistent, manufactured, or processed solid material disposed of or abandoned on coastal and marine environments. Marine litter is a problem because it spreads globally, affecting each level of the ocean. We're specifically talking about plastic materials that decompose at a rate of 100 to thousands of years. A July 2018 journal published an environmental pollution titled Investigating Microplastic Trophic Transfer in Marine Top Predators explained that plastic straws are not biodegradable, which means that bacteria is unable of decomposing it. Instead, they just break down to smaller and smaller particles. These particles are less than 5 milliliters long and are known as microplastics. Because of its small size, they are eaten by zooplankton, and then that's where the food chain starts. Once in their digestive system, they of course cause great harm to their health and alter their digestion. When the food chain starts, any animal ingesting an organism with these particles or by eating plastic found through the ocean is affected negatively. Marine animals such as seals and dolphins and birds can also be affected by this. Not only are straws dangerous to marine life, they affect us too. Due to microplastics' ability they are to be transferred, a study was shown that shellfish have found traces of microplastic. There is further study to be done, but we should consider all the consequences that plastic has on our world. You've probably seen many campaigns that urge you to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Campaigns urge you to be more environmentally friendly and conscious about our consumption and disposal of products. Unfortunately, not everything we recycle is safe from ending up in the ocean and soil. According to information posted on the Association Zoos and Aquariums organization website called How Do Straws Hurt the Environment, plastic straws are harmful because they are hard to recycle. Once they do get the chance to reach the recycling system, they often just fall through the cracks because of their small size and lightweight characteristics. The lightweight characteristics is a problem because they can simply, for example, be blown out of the transportation they're in and end up consequently in the ocean and land. By the time they get there, they're risking not aquatic animals, but the whole world. Some were simply not even able to be recycled because of the chemicals that were used to make them. Unfortunately, they end up in the landfill, and when they do get the chance to decompose with the help of ultraviolet light and heat, when they decompose and release the chemicals that were used into our soil and land and water. There are alternative options out there other than plastic straws. According to a website called Mighty, they've tested various straws, and the stainless steel straws are a great example. They're not only sturdy, they are dishwasher safe and durable. They are not recommended for hot beverages, but they are perfect for your cold drink during the summer. Aside from this option, there are straws made out of silicone, bamboo, and glass. It all depends on your preference. Tackling this straw problem is a doable task, and I know that everyone wants to see a brighter future. Every small change counts, and it is up to us to take the small step in order for our planet to be a safer environment. It just takes one conscious decision to decline a straw offer when given the option. Tonight, I will leave you with a quote by famous philosopher Lao Tzu that states, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step." Thank you.